Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows update error into your Windows 11. Very simple. What you can do, you just simply come over into your search option and going to search for run. After enter the run, you can see the run interface will be open. And from here, you just need to type services.msc and then click enter. After that, your services center will be open. If you like to make it maximize it, you can do it as well. But I will going to remain it as minimize. That will helps you to show you. So now I will going to find out W over here. I will going to find out Windows Update over here. You can see. So what you can see, if your Windows Update is set on disabled, then what you can do, just simply click on that, go for properties, and then go for startup type, and if it's disabled, just set into automatic and then click apply and then click start, and it will fix your problem. And after, if you just restart your device, that will help you to fix the problem very easily. So this is how you can fix your update error in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.